If you're looking to take your CapCut edits to the next level, these 7 simple editing hacks will help you make your footage more polished and professional. You won't believe how easily I made this face track video. Let's dive right in. If you happen to have multiple steady shots or images, they can look pretty boring. To fix that, we can add a keyframe zoom. Click the image or shot that you want to edit, add a keyframe, go to the end of the clip, add the keyframe again, and zoom in a little bit. That's it. Now you have a slow, steady zoom that gets the image to look more lifelike. Let's move on to the next tip. Animated black bars help your video look more cinematic. It's basically like a transition that goes from a black film strip into your full image. To do it, click mask, add mask, film strip, then add a keyframe, go to the end of your clip, add another keyframe, but then slide the bars up, and you're done. This is the finished result. The next tip is really simple, but a lot of people forget to do this in their videos, which is to add an outro. Simply click on your clip, hit animation, out, and I just like to add fade out. Simple, but looks good. I'll make it 1 second. Now we move on to the really good stuff. Auto captions. This is what I personally use all the time. I'll use my previous video as an example. Click on text, auto captions, choose your language, and just hit generate. You're gonna have to wait a little bit, but there you have it. You can edit the text as usual text, it's all the same. I'm just gonna add a shadow and I'll change the font. And you've just saved yourself hours of timing. This is hours worth of text done in a few minutes. My next tip is jump cuts. What they do is basically zoom into the clip when you make a point and then zoom back out when you're done making that point. It really drags the watcher into what you're saying so you can get your point around a little better. We'll use this man as an example. First you hit Control B, or I think it's Command B. Yeah, it's Command B on Mac. So hit Command B. This splits your clip. You do this when the person starts making the point, then you do it at the end as well. Choose the clip where he's making a point, scale it, and zoom in on the face, so yep, like this. And now when he's making the point, it really drags you into what he's saying, and then it goes back out. Up next is the Leak 1 effect. It basically makes your videos look like a memory. I'll show you. Click FX, type in the name, simply take it and drag it over your clip, make it as long as you want, and then your video looks like this. And finally, face tracking. It is actually shocking how well this works. All you do is you go to the right side on video where you edit it, you hit camera tracking, you choose which one you want. I'll just choose face because that's what I'm tracking. Hit start, and what this does, it just automatically track the face. This takes probably an hour to do in After Effects. CapCut just makes it this simple. I would probably turn down the shake a little bit and then also scale it in so you don't see those borders, and then this is what you get. And yeah, that's it. That was all the tips. I would really appreciate any support because I'm a new creator, and yeah, you can follow me along the road. See you next video.